If you're wondering how to use your new Rubylux near-infrared bulb, stick with me. In this video, I explain everything you need to know to get started using your bulb. Before you start, do a patch test. Shine the light on an inconspicuous area for a few minutes. Then wait 24 hours to make sure no negative reactions occur. Although it's extremely rare, some people do experience itching, discomfort, or skin irritation that develop within a day of using the product. If you notice any negative effects, discontinue use immediately and return the bulb through RubyluxLights.com. Keep in mind that due to increased blood flow, it's normal for the area to appear flushed or red for up to an hour after use. To get started, here's what you'll need: your Rubylux near-infrared bulb, a compatible lamp, something sturdy to clamp your lamp to, a surge protector, eye protection, a camera, a timer, and a towel. We recommend taking before and after pictures of the area you're treating so you can track your progress. Remember, we love to see your pictures and hear how the bulb is working for you, so send us an email or tag us in your posts. Next, clean the target area and prepare it for treatment. Remove anything that could block the light. This includes clothing, dirt, oil, makeup, or sunscreen residue. Make sure that you have not applied any products that can cause photosensitivity or sensitivity to light in the past 4 hours. Examples of products that cause sensitivity to light include, but are not limited to, retinol, retin-A, vitamin C, lemon juice, or any product that advises you to avoid light after use. Also, make sure you haven't applied sunscreen for 4 hours prior to using your bulb. Most sunscreens sink into the skin to block light and only wear off with time and heat. It's perfectly fine to use sunscreen and topical products that cause photosensitivity after using your Rubylux near-infrared bulb. If you are taking any prescription or over-the-counter medications, check with your doctor or pharmacist to make sure none of them can cause photosensitivity. Rubylux highly recommends using a surge protector to keep your bulb safe from power fluctuations, which can weaken your bulb and cause early burnout. Check the link in the description box below for surge protectors we recommend. The lamp you use with your Rubylux near-infrared bulb must meet certain requirements. Your lamp must be rated for 250 watts or higher. The lamp's wattage rating is usually on the socket, the packaging, or a tag attached to the lamp cord. Your lamp should also be made of heat-resistant material, usually porcelain, metal, or high-heat plastic. Lamps with a heavy-duty clamp are best. We recommend the Rubylux lamp's clamp because its stable grip and strong hinge keep the lamp secure. If you are using a weaker clamp, make sure it cannot move or fall during use. Clamp your lamp onto an object that is sturdy, stable, and heavy. Plug your lamp into your surge protector, making sure it is switched off. Now you're ready to finalize your near-infrared light therapy or sauna setup. Carefully remove your new Rubylux near-infrared bulb from its box. Check the neck of your bulb for the Rubylux logo. Underneath it, you will see the voltage rating, which is a number followed by the letter V. If you're in the US or Canada, make sure your bulb says it's in the range of 100 to 130 volts. If you're in Europe or Australia, it has to be in the range of 200 to 240 volts. Gently screw the bulb in just as you would any other bulb. Take the time now to adjust your lamp so it points exactly where you want. After your bulb is switched on, the lamp will likely become too hot to touch. We strongly recommend that you avoid pointing the bulb downwards onto the target area. Instead, place the light so if it were to fall during use, it would not fall onto you. Next, put on your eye protection. It's important to protect your eyes from the infrared light, brightness, and heat. We recommend Rubylux goggles, but there are other infrared goggles and glasses on the market that also work. Set a timer for your desired session time. Place a towel within arm's reach to use to wipe away any sweat. Once the bulb is on, the glass becomes very hot, and even a tiny drop of liquid could cause it to shatter. Now, using the on-off switch on your surge protector, turn on your lamp. Enjoy basking in the light of your Rubylux near-infrared bulb. The right distance for everyone is different. Your goal should be to get as close as possible without causing pain or discomfort. We recommend starting at 3 or 4 feet away and gradually moving closer. You should always be able to remain comfortable by slightly adjusting your position. If the light feels too intense in one particular spot, and small adjustments in position do not relieve your discomfort, you may be too close. You should never feel pain or even anxiety or headache during your session. If you do, you should stop immediately. You'll find that the distance that's right for you might change from day to day. The same goes for session time. Always listen to your body. Your sessions should make you feel better, not worse. Session time can vary greatly from person to person and even from day to day. A typical session is anywhere from 5 to 25 minutes. You can do sessions multiple times a day. Just leave 3 to 4 hours in between sessions. If you're using the bulbs for a sauna or find yourself sweating profusely in every session, remember that excessive sweating can deplete electrolytes and minerals. You should only induce sweating in multiple times per day under the care and direction of a doctor. Now, you're ready to get started with your Rubylux near-infrared bulb. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, sign up for our newsletter, and follow us on Facebook or Instagram to get more useful information and be the first to know about sales.